I don't know what numbers you're thinking on pizzas, but I think you gotta be prepped for more than for less. Okay, like I think you're gonna get fucking spanked and you're gonna run out of shit. You need to have like containers and bags, like lots of shredded cheese, lots of pepperoni, lots of tomato sauce. Those are the bases. But you know, you're gonna need shit so that you're not in the shit. Because if you run out of it and you gotta go downstairs, you're in the shit. Getting the restaurant open, dude. Less than 48 hours from opening. We've only been in the kitchen for about 2 days because of all the things that we had to get done first. So now it's mise en place. Mise en place. That's French for get your shit done. This is my work mode. I don't like being disturbed when I'm in work mode. I just want to work. Because when you got a shit to-do list that's 12 pages long, it's stuff to get ready to open the restaurant, you can't afford to waste any time. It's high gear time. And you know what? For a fat fucking guy that's 300 pounds, 58 years old, I'm one fast motherfucker. We sell a lot of brisket, wild cherry smoked brisket done on the live fire with wild cherry wood that comes from one of the cherry orchards on our other golf courses. And that's it. It just smokes nice and easy. Brisket sandwich, barbecue platter, silly Philly cheesesteak. That's where you'll find that. We got all kinds of stuff going on. It's brisket, burgers, and we're introducing pizza this year, so we're in the shit. Thursday should be fucking fun. It's too thin. Take a quarter block, smooth it out, whisk it in, and then more. I don't share my secrets, okay? I'll teach people how to do it, but when it comes to the restaurant, there are some things that a chef keeps as a secret, and my recipes are my recipes for my restaurant, and I don't share that shit with anybody. I mean, I've been barbecuing my entire life. I've been grilling and smoking and cooking, and I'm a chef. I'm a chef first, but I love barbecue. That's my thing. My career's taken me through the restaurant industry from starting out as a dishwasher and a prep cook to first cook, second cook, third cook, veg cook, back to dishwasher. Been through all the stations, worked them all, had fun with them all. Barbecue's my thing, but there's always a story. But for right now, I'm busy. I'm trying to open up a restaurant here. You needed something shit list to do? I got a list. It's fucking this long. All right. Have you seen the list? Yeah. This is the list. This is the shit list wall. Okay? That's the menu. That's 9 pages. That's just the prep for that. When you have weeks, it's easy, but it's never super easy. It's always a challenge. But when you're on a deadline and things nowadays, oh, hang on, what's the big word of the year? Supply chain issues. When it takes forever to get shit, you're delayed and you're delayed and you're delayed. It is what it is. That's the reality. We're just gonna make through. You know, it's not like you're cooking dinner at home and you got one course. Oh, I'm doing chicken thighs. No, it's like you got 20, 30 items on a menu and everything has to have attention. And there's details to all of it. Don't bug me. Shit's happening.
Check out the sign.
Okay, let me taste this. Get your dirty fingers out of my stuff. Wash your hands first. You can contaminate the whole batch that way. Oh my God. Getting a fucking headache already. Hope you weren't videotaping my ass. I don't really have one. I go back to legs. Hey, Richard. How are you, man?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a sign. Ted Reader here. We're at the Joint. Pretty excited because we just got a new sign. I want to introduce you to my buddy Richard Van Huvelen. Holy smokes, that's a hard name to say. But Richard is like this crazy, crazy artist. He makes all kinds of weird sculptures, metal sculptures, and he's just put together the Joint Barbecue, Live Fire Barbecue, and Wood-Fired Pizza sign. And he's built our counter, and I'm telling you, the man is amazing. He's amazing. He's an artist. Artists are crazy too, so he's really crazy. He has a dragon at his house, I'm telling you now. There's a dragon there. Thighs. Yeah, cool. Gotta keep the lid closed, man. If you're peeking, you're not cooking. Then you lose your temperatures. Rule number 1. It's a little concoction I came up with. Not quite done yet. We made a small batch yesterday, and I want to can some of this, so it goes on all of our burgers. This is the relish that we make. I'm gonna tell you something about washing dishes. Like I told you before, I'm a motherfucking good dishwasher. Well, being a dishwasher, a lot of people might say it's a shitty job and it's a horrible job. It's the hardest job in a kitchen, because without a dishwasher, the cooks can't do shit. And most of the cooks forget that if you didn't start in the dish pit, they don't know how to wash dishes. So if you want to learn everything, you got to start at the bottom, and the bottom is the dish pit. Become an expert in washing dishes, you'll be able to cook anything you want. You don't know how to clean up after yourself, you're useless in the kitchen. Get your shit together and respect your dishwashers, because it's the hardest job. Make sure they're fed, make sure they're happy, and God damn it, be nice to them. And if you want to know the truth, I've not always been nice to dishwashers. And I've learned over the years, you can't always be an asshole. And I'm a pretty good asshole sometimes. So, as a chef, we have our moments, and if I've been bad, I'm sorry. But it was all in the name of the food, because I love the food. Look at me. I love the food. I had a manager once tell me, "You're a celebrity chef. You shouldn't be washing dishes." You know what? I like washing dishes. You know why? Because nobody fucking bothers me. And I get to think about the entire day of all the shitty things that I gotta do and all the other good things that I gotta accomplish and what's gotta get cooked. And when you can just clean dishes and nobody's bugging you, because nobody wants to come in and say, "Hey, can I give you a hand with all those dishes?" Ha! If that ever fucking happened. If you're a chef, you wash dishes. You cook food. You talk to customers. You shop. You do numbers. You do paperwork. You give warnings. You fire people. You hire people. The chef's job. It's a long, long, long list of the shit you gotta do. The whole premise of what we're doing is we're just trying to get people to cook in their backyards. Nice and easy, nice and simple, nothing super complicated, using everyday ingredients and having a tasty time. So I've got a number of friends who are gonna join me on the show over the season, and they're gonna come to my backyard at Casa Barbecue, and we're gonna cook some food. What I'd like to know from you is, what would you like us to cook? What kind of grilling recipes, smoking recipes, barbecue recipes, what are you looking to learn? I'm here to teach you, share my experience, and share my love of barbecue with you. So tune into my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and all that other social media shit that's out there. It's way out of my league, man. All I want to do is cook and tell you how to do it and have some fun and get you cooking, because this is the greatest job in the world. I make tasty. That's what I do. Cheers.